Today I'll be going through and showing you the step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the HP OfficeJet 4630. So let's get started. First, you're going to open the printer to access the space where you'll load the ink cartridges in and out. This can be accessed by raising the part with the seam under the scanning bed. Now that we're here, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. If you are installing the ink cartridges on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you, or mail them into the printer manufacturer free of charge for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now, we're going to take the ink cartridge and snap it into place. Make sure you are positioning the ink cartridge with the right side up with the snap facing the printer. Then, align the ink cartridge so it will fit into the slot. If it is not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it the right way up and that you are inserting it into the correct slot. Or, if the ink cartridge is still not fitting, check to see if you have a compatible ink cartridge for your printer. In our case, you will want to make sure the ink cartridge is compatible with the HP OfficeJet 4630. Now you've installed one ink cartridge. Now you'll need to install the other colors, the same way you just installed that last one. Then, the printer should automatically start recognizing them and begin its process of preparing them to print. All done. Now, you're ready to print.